Hi friends, it is Monday, May 4th, and you guys should be in Earth Science. It's day one, and we should be reading our learning target for our opening. You guys should be trying to get that chapter review. If you don't have the chapter review, it's okay. We're going over the answers. Just make sure you're taking notes at home, and then for your work period, you'll be following along. For your learning target, it says I can construct an explanation of the relationship between air pressure, fronts, air masses, and how they impact the formation of meteorological events such as thunderstorms and tornadoes. So for your mini lesson, I just give you the steps right here to download that weather review. So let's start. If you guys do have your review page, it looks like this. And I have already filled in the answers from last week up here, and now we're on 7 through 11 today. And it's just multiple choice. So the first one says the process in which water changes from a liquid to a gas is called what? We know it's evaporation because you can look at this picture of the water cycle right here, and evaporation is when the sun beats down on the water and the water goes from a liquid into a gas up into the sky, okay? So we know that. Then number 2, so that's going to be C for number 1. Number 8, which is which of the following is not a type of condensation? Well, we can use process of elimination here. We know that all of these are going to be condensation except for one. And we knew that snow is precipitation. Rain, snow, sleet, hail, all types of precipitation. So that's how I knew that this one is not condensation and that's the answer. For number 9, clouds that cover a large area are called what kind of clouds? Well, I have this picture for you guys right here. It's a stratus cloud because a stratus cloud is a lower bearing cloud. It lays lower to Earth's surface, and it also stretches out farther than any of these other types of clouds. So your answer is stratus. Number 10, a front that forms when a warm air mass is trapped in between cold air masses. So if you know that the warm air, it's trapped, meaning it can't get out, and the cold is winning, this cold air mass is trapping the warm, meaning it's winning, okay? That's called a cold front, and this is a picture of it. The cold air is pushing out all this warm air, it's trapping it, and it's pushing it away. The cold's coming on in, okay? Number 11 is our last one. A severe storm that forms at a rapidly rotating funnel cloud is called and it's a tornado. And I showed a picture right here. Just know when it comes to a tornado, you got to have that funnel, and the funnel has to touch down on the ground for it to be a tornado. So thank you guys. Just take notes at home. I gave you guys all the answers right here to fill in, and make sure you guys are writing all of this down because this is going to be on your test, okay? And your closing is just says take notes from home. Thank you.